Now see the children. Interior angles, some property of triangle. Interior angles, some property of triangle. Interior angles means inside of the triangle. Sum, sum of three angles in a triangle. We can some small activity is there you can observe. On white paper, draw a triangle ABC using color pencils. Color, color its angles and show the figure. You can draw the one triangle and color the angles. Only angles you should color three colors, different colors. Second point, using scissors, cut out the three angular regions. Using scissor, you cut the angular parts. Any parts you should cut. And draw a line PQ and mark point O on it. You can draw one line segment line that is PQ and mark one point. Straight line how many degrees? 180 degrees. Paste the three angular cuts objects and each other from the one angle at O as shown in the figure below. You can join the three angles. It make a straight line. You will find the three angles now coincide a straight line. Constitute a straight line. Straight line form అయ్యింది. Like this I will draw small activity. Here triangle ABC you can draw like this. I will draw another paper, same figure. Same figure I will draw on another paper. Okay. I will cut into the three angles. Draw the PQ line and mark the point O on it. You can see the children. The three angles I will cut and join the three angles one by one. At the O is the point, we can join the one by one. It make a exact straight angle. Exact straight angle. Okay. Straight angle means 180 degrees. Here sum of three angles in a triangle inside of the interior. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees is equal to straight angle. Okay. Sum of three angles in a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. This one you can prove by the small activity. And second point, and you can prove another method. Proof of interior angle interior angle some property of triangle. Proof of interior angle some property of triangle. This one you can know about the proof. Proof of interior angle some property of triangle. This one is proof. Statement. Sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of the interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Given ABC is a triangle. You can take the one triangle ABC and take one triangle ABC. Angle A to prove. What is it? మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలమ్మా? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. This one you should prove. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle A you can represent angle 1, angle B angle 2, angle C you can write angle 3. Small construction is there. Construction. Draw a line PQ through A parallel to BC. This one BC line, BC కి parallel గా you can draw the PQ line ఒకటి draw చేయాలి. Okay. Parallel to BC you can draw one line segment. That is name is PQ. Through A తో పాస్ అవ్వాలమ్మా. పాయింట్ A నుంచి పాస్ అవుతూ ఒక parallel line draw చేయాలి. BC. Once observe. Here PQ and BC are, this one PQ, this one BC. These two are parallel lines, PQ and BC. Like this is there. AC is, what is the AC? Like this is AC. Observe what is the AC? These two are parallel lines. AC is called transversal. Here angle 4 and angle 3 is there. These two are which angles? alternate interior angles. Okay, on subject children, we can draw a PQ through A parallel to BC. PQ ఒక parallel line BC కి parallel గా మనం draw చేసాం. Here formed angle A దగ్గర two angles form అయ్యాయి, angle 4 and angle 5. Okay, angle 4 and angle 5. PQ is a straight angle. Here two angles are, other two angles are formed. Now PQ and BC are parallel lines. AC is transversal and 3 and 4 are alternate interior angles. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This one, first one, alternate angles. Okay. Now same like this. PQ is parallel to BC. AB is transversal. You can now take PQ is parallel to BC. AB is transversal. These two angles are equal. And 2 is equal to 5. Angle 2 is equal to 5. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. This one equation 2. This one also alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. We can add 1 and 2 equations. Add. Angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Adding 1 and 2. Equations 1 and 2 you should add. Angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5. Here one subject. Here 4 plus 5. Middle one is only 1 is there. ఈ 1 కూడా యాడ్ చేస్తే it form a straight angle. Okay, Nanu? That's why adding angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. Adding angle 1 on both sides. Adding angle 1 on both sides. Now angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 on subject. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. Which angle? PQ is a straight line. That's why that is 180 degrees. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Why it is 180 degrees? Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to straight angle is 180 degrees. Now angle 1 means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 1 means angle A. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C means the sum of interior angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore hence proved. Hence proved. ఇది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ proof of interior angle sum property of triangle. What is the interior angle sum property? Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay children, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. For example, I will give the one example sum. Example, first one. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 60 degrees, angle B is equal to 50 degrees. Then find angle C. Okay. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is the proof of the angle sum property. Okay. Solution. In a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. What is the angle A? 60 degrees. What is the angle B? 50 degrees. Plus C you don't know. Angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Write angle sum property. Angle sum property. What is the angle sum property? Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. 60 plus 50. We should add these two numbers. That is 110 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. 110 transpose. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees, that is equal to 70 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 70 degrees. This is the answer.